shit. Let's go get a closer view. Whoa. Is that blood? Shit.
Did you get that on recording?
Yeah. No, I didn't get it fully on recording.
Because you're playing Plants vs. Zombies.
Guys, there's an oil leak.
Doesn't look like everything okay.
Look what fell off the car. The bumper.
Holy.
Wait, who started it?
Transfer was playing Plants
Can you
vs.
call
Zombies.
911?
You're probably fine.
Someone call 911?
I can, but I'm too lazy to press the unrecord.
Oh, I'll do it.
Holy shit, this is one random ass video. I just come to get my shoes on, come outside, I hear a car screech, and then...
Did you see it actually crash?
No, we just heard it.
crash.
Oh, hey
And
guys.
then me and Trenton just run as fast as we can over there, and then we just
I
try.
was too lazy to record it because I was playing
Oh, what the hell?
Whose bag is this?
It's mine.
As a hat.
That's the end of my fucking crazy video. Hope you enjoyed. See you later. Bye.